In the ever-evolving world of PC gaming, choosing the right graphics card, GPU, can be a daunting task. With new contenders emerging every year, it's crucial to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each option before making your investment. To help you navigate this complex landscape, we've compiled a deep review of the top 5 best graphics cards in 2024, incorporating user experiences to provide a well-rounded perspective. Number 1. AMD RX 7800 XT. The RX 7800 XT strikes a perfect balance between raw performance and affordability. Users rave about its ability to handle AAA titles at 1440p with maxed-out settings, often exceeding 100 FPS. Its ray tracing performance is also commendable, offering a noticeable visual upgrade without sacrificing frame rates. While some users report slightly higher power consumption compared to its NVIDIA counterpart, the RX 7800 XT remains a compelling choice for its price tag and overall performance. Number 2. NVIDIA RTX 4080. The RTX 4080 is an undeniable powerhouse, delivering unparalleled frame rates in even the most demanding games. Users are particularly impressed with its DLSS 3.0 technology, which significantly boosts FPS without sacrificing image quality. However, this beast comes at a hefty price, making it inaccessible to most budget-conscious gamers. Additionally, its high power consumption necessitates a robust power supply and proper cooling. Number 3. AMD RX 7600. For those seeking smooth 1080p gaming without breaking the bank, the RX 7600 is a fantastic option. Users commend its ability to run esports titles and popular games at high frame rates with medium to high settings. While it may not handle ray tracing or demanding AAA titles at max settings, its budget-friendly price point makes it a solid choice for casual gamers and competitive esports players. Number 4. Intel Arc A770. Intel's Arc A770 is a promising entry into the GPU market, offering competitive performance at a mid-range price point. Users appreciate its AV1 encoding capabilities, perfect for streamers and content creators. However, its driver support is still in its early stages, leading to some reported bugs and compatibility issues. With continued development, the A770 has the potential to become a major player in the mid-range market. Number 5. NVIDIA RTX 4090. The RTX 4090 is a technological marvel, boasting the highest frame rates and most impressive ray tracing capabilities of any GPU on the market. However, its exorbitant price tag and extreme power consumption make it a niche product for enthusiasts and professional content creators. For most gamers, the RX 7800 XT or RTX 4080 offer better value for the money. Beyond the benchmarks. While benchmarks provide a valuable technical perspective, user experiences offer a crucial human element to the equation. Reading reviews and forums helps you understand not just the performance of a GPU, but also its real-world quirks, compatibility issues, and overall user satisfaction. This can be invaluable in making an informed decision based on your individual needs and preferences. Remember, the best GPU is subjective. Consider your budget, resolution, preferred games, and intended use before making your choice. By incorporating both technical benchmarks and user experiences, you can confidently navigate the ever-changing landscape of graphics cards and find the perfect match for your ultimate gaming experience.